In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Squarespace email in 5 minutes. Navigating your way around digital platforms can sometimes feel like wandering through a maze. But fear not, because today I'm here to guide you through one specific path. Accessing your Squarespace email. Whether you're a newbie setting foot in the digital world or a seasoned web builder, this tutorial is designed to make life a bit easier for you. So let's dive right in. First things first, let's start with the very basics. Heading over to Squarespace. For many of you who've ventured into creating your own websites or have dabbled in web design, Squarespace has probably been your go-to. It's user-friendly, sleek, and most importantly efficient. But today we're not discussing web designs, we're focusing on emails. So how do you check your Squarespace email? You'll begin this journey by opening your preferred web browser. It could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, you name it. Once opened, type squarespace.com in the search bar and hit enter. The Squarespace homepage is where the magic begins. At first glance, it might seem a bit overwhelming, but I'm here to make it as smooth as butter for you. Upon arriving at the Squarespace homepage, your next step is to log in. Look for the login button, usually positioned at the top right corner of the page. This is your gateway to accessing everything Squarespace has to offer, including your emails. Now, Squarespace offers you a few different ways to log in. For simplicity and convenience, click on Continue with Google. Why? Because it's fast, secure, and let's be honest, trying to remember yet another password is something most of us aren't keen on. So click on that, and you'll be on your way to the next step. After selecting to continue with Google, you'll be prompted to choose your account. This part is pretty straightforward. Just click on the Google account you've used to register or link with your Squarespace account. It should sync up seamlessly, leading you closer to accessing your email. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Squarespace account dashboard. This is where the heart of your Squarespace activities lies. You can manage sites, view billing information, and yes, access your email, which is exactly what we're here for. To get there directly, you can also click on the link provided at this step, which takes you straight to the account dashboard. Now, for the most integral part of this journey, accessing your Squarespace email. Once you're on your account dashboard, direct your eyes to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll find your profile icon. Go ahead and click on that. It's like a little treasure chest waiting to be opened. Once you click on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear, and therein lies the prize. Access to your Squarespace email. It might seem anticlimactic after all these steps, but trust me, understanding how to navigate through these digital platforms is an invaluable skill. Upon clicking, you might be greeted with various account details, but the focal point here is your Squarespace email. It's right there, waiting for you to explore. Congratulations! You've now successfully navigated your way to checking your Squarespace email. It wasn't so hard, was it? Now, before we conclude, a quick tip to enhance your experience. Ensure you're logged in with the correct Google account. Sometimes we have multiple accounts for different purposes, and logging in with the wrong one might lead to confusion. Also, Squarespace periodically updates its interface, so it's a good idea to stay attuned to any changes that might slightly alter these steps. And there you have it, folks. A comprehensive step-by-step guide on how to check your Squarespace email, whether you're communicating with clients, setting up newsletters, or simply staying organized. Accessing your Squarespace email is a crucial step in leveraging the full power of the platform. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you feel more confident navigating Squarespace. Remember, it's all about taking it one step at a time. Thank you for joining me today, and I look forward to helping you with more digital solutions in the future. Stay tuned and happy web surfing.